Welcome back to your English vocabulary channel.
Today's word is ask in. Ask in is a phrasal verb used to talk about inviting somebody somewhere or to request an opinion. Let's see some examples on how to use it. Imagine you invited John into your house for dinner. Now he arrived and rang the bell. So you tell your son, "John's at the door, ask him in." Remember, ask in is more commonly used in the sense of requesting information or opinions rather than explicitly inviting someone in a social context. Let's see some examples of that. You can say, the invitation included an option to ask in a guest for the event. You can also say, she decided to ask in her colleagues for their opinions on the project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily vocabulary. Like and comment also because it is free.